So this is the tool that we'll be using to fasten the rivet. Basically you just need to connect this end thread into the unit here. So for example, it's a little hard to do with one hand, but we'll see if we can do it. Just use this end to screw into the thread. Just keep screwing as it works its way into the thread. The further in you do it, the more pressure it's going to apply to the actual, to the actual thread internally. And then we just want to grab on again like so, and you see as you squeeze, this gets closer, and then you just have a little bit of pressure there that you can squeeze, and it'll actually expand. This area will expand and it'll press out and against the housing so that it actually stays in position and doesn't spin. So it shouldn't have too much pressure applied. It should only need a little bit. If you find that there's no pressure at all, you might just need to screw this in a little bit further, or if you find that there's just too much pressure, you can unscrew it a little bit, like I'll do now, just unscrewing it at the end here, and then I'll apply pressure. You can see that now I can basically close it the whole way. So you probably want it a little bit tighter than that. We've got a bit of pressure here, and then you can squeeze in, and that should actually expand the area and fill it into the void so that it actually grips on, and then you'll be able to thread quite easily. If you're struggling to initiate this thread, you just might need to put pressure against the outside of the of the thread there, so that the rivet nut actually grips and catches the thread. And then hopefully you should be able to do the whole thing externally instead of having to worry about getting inside into this racking on the inside.